Most people use ChatGPT like a Google search. They type in a vague question, get a mediocre answer, and think, yeah, this thing is overhyped. But that's not a ChatGPT problem. That's a prompting problem. The difference between a bad response and a mind-blowing one. It's all in how you ask. In this video, I'm giving you 10 copy-paste prompts that I personally use to save hours every single week for writing, research, planning, emails, and more. Stick around to the end because prompt number 10 is genuinely a game changer. Let's get into it. Prompt 1, the email rewriter. How many times have you stared at an email for 20 minutes trying to get the tone right? You get a polished, ready-to-send email in seconds. Change the tone word depending on who you're emailing. Your boss, a client, or a difficult coworker. Time saved, 15 to 20 minutes per email. Prompt 2, the meeting summarizer. Got a long Zoom transcript or meeting notes? Don't read through all of it. You get a clean, structured summary in under 10 seconds. Perfect for sending to your team after every meeting. Time saved, 20 to 30 minutes per meeting. Prompt number 3, the research accelerator. Need to understand a complex topic fast? This gives you a fast, layered understanding of any subject, whether it's a new industry, a technical concept, or something you're studying for. Time saved, 1 to 2 hours of reading. Prompt 4, the content repurposer. If you create any kind of content, blogs, newsletters, podcasts, this one's for you. One piece of content becomes 5. Your whole content strategy sorted in 2 minutes. Time saved, 2 to 3 hours per week. Prompt 5, the decision maker. Struggling to make a big decision? Use ChatGPT as a thinking partner. It won't make the decision for you, but it will organize your thinking faster than journaling or talking it through for an hour. Time saved, hours of overthinking. Prompt number 6, the job application helper. This one alone is worth watching the whole video for. Tailoring your resume to each job used to take hours. Now it takes minutes, and your application actually gets past the ATS filters. Time saved, 1 to 2 hours per application. Prompt number 7, the Brainstorm machine. Staring at a blank page? Kill creative block instantly. The key here is asking for a range, safe to wild. It forces ChatGPT to think outside the box instead of giving you the same generic ideas. Time saved, 30 to 60 minutes of staring at a blank screen. Prompt number 8, the feedback generator. Before you hit send on anything important, run it through this prompt. It's like having an editor or a smart colleague review your work. Available 24/7, no ego involved. Time saved, back and forth revision rounds. Prompt number 9, the weekly planner. Dump your messy to-do list into this prompt every Monday morning. You get a structured, prioritized week in under 30 seconds. Time saved, 30 to 45 minutes of planning paralysis. Prompt number 10, the custom AI assistant. This is the big one. Instead of writing a long prompt every time, set up ChatGPT to always respond the way you want. Go to settings, arrow personalization, arrow custom instructions, and paste this. Now, every conversation starts smarter. ChatGPT knows who you are, what you need, and how to talk to you. Time saved, every single session. There you go, 10 prompts you can start using today. To recap, email, rewriter, meeting, summarizer, research accelerator, content, repurposer, decision maker, job application, helper, brainstorm, machine feedback generator, weekly planner, custom AI assistant. If you want the full copy-paste list, I've put all 10 prompts in the description below, completely free. If this video saved you time, hit the like button. It genuinely helps the channel grow. And subscribe if you want more AI tips every week. I'll see you in the next one.